am going to take you through the journey on how I created this hat. This hat right here was inspired by my birthday. So let's go through the process. On my birthday, I received 2 beautiful bouquets of flowers. And as those flowers begin to wither, I said, I want to cherish these flowers. So I'm going to make one of them into a hat design, and one of them I am going to actually frame. So I have not framed the other set yet, but the process that I decided to do was to dehydrate the flowers. So I laid them out on a baking sheet. I put them in the oven on about 200 and I let them bake. I pulled them out and they were nice, evenly dried. So the process began. This process took a couple of days because I wanted to make sure I had the right preservation. So initially, I cut the top out the hat. I cut the top out the hat because I then replaced the top of the hat with flowers. But those flowers I put between 2 pieces of vinyl. And so you can see through the rose petals. So after attaching that, I decided to start gluing down these flowers. And I glued them down. So I began to paint. I only had glued down a few of them. And so I began to paint some flower designs behind. And then I put the rest of the flowers on top because I wanted to have that depth, truly 3D. So I got this design to pour off the top of the hat down on the back, around the side. And I thought, I need a little greenery. So I took the leaves from the other bouquet and I put them in. And then I needed a band because I like bands. So I have some beautiful leather. And I took one piece of leather and flipped it on the wrong side and I painted it. And that's how you have this reddish, rosy-ish color. And then I took another piece of leather and I laid it on top. So it's 2 pieces to create its own unique band. And I was like, I don't just want a beige hat with flowers. So then I painted the brim. And I got this rosy, reddish looking color that has some sparkle in it. And that's how we got this hat. So this hat that you see was inspired by some beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. And these flowers were so special to me. And because of that, I decided to create something beautiful that I can pass to someone else as they purchase this beautiful hat. And the flowers were covered in Mod Podge. Took a couple of days to dry. Then I sprayed it with some Mod Podge just so it have right preservation. And the hat is beautiful. I thank you all for going on this journey with me on this hat. Someone needs this hat in their collection because all of my hats are one of a kind. One of a kind. Thank you.